Hello everyone, welcome to my forest home garden. Here we have a little pickerick and another one pickerick, two more pickerick, and this is a huge plant which is coming to the sky. It's taller than me. Then what we got here? A little eggplant. So wow, this is my little corner of paradise. Strawberries, cabbage inside a plastic bottle. Here we got beans. Beautiful beans, there are a lot. Here zucchini, a plant of zucchini which I made a manual pollination. You see here the cotton stick and the zucchini. 1, 2 and more. Okay, here we got a lot of tomato. Again, this plant is taller than me. Oh my god, a lot of confusion here, but we got a lot of tomatoes. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, amazing. Okay. I have a difficult to walk even. Here we got a little lemon trees, beautiful lemon trees. Here I broke one part of the tomato and I put into the water. See? Life. This is a little but a big tomato tree. These are trees, yes. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Here we have more zucchini, which I obtained with the same technique, with a contour stick. Beautiful. Look here, my little mango. Let's see how. Wow, beautiful. I will show you better. It's like more than 10 centimeter. Beautiful. Here some pepper plant, sweet pepper, and a lot of beans. We got beans into my balcony on the bottle. And here the beautiful corner, some aromatic, basil, sage, beautiful green parsley, and wow, amazing mint kissed by the sky. I love this. Melon, a lot of flowers. Here we have also a picker. Here this is a watermelon. Look at these. Look at these. 1, 2. Maybe I found one little. I don't know if you can see. And this is my beautiful paradise. Let's walk. Wow. Oh, I forgot this one. Hello, pickerick.